Good morning. I'm Carolyn Ryan, live in the CBS 46 studio with your hourly coronavirus update. Here are the latest headlines at 9 a.m. Just into our newsroom, U.S. unemployment claims soar to 3.3 million, quadrupling the record from 1982 as layoffs from coronavirus sweep the nation. Meantime, a local medical sterilization plant set to reopen amidst the coronavirus outbreak. Sterigenics could resume operations as early as today. The controversial plant in Cobb County has been shut down since last summer for various code violations. It's blamed for releasing a cancer-causing gas into the air as part of its sterilization process. But last night, Cobb County issued an emergency order allowing the plant to reopen temporarily so that it can sterilize medical equipment needed to fight COVID-19. The decision came after the U.S. FDA wrote a letter to Governor Kemp asking him to allow Sterigenics to reopen. The FDA claiming items like masks, gloves, gowns, and respirators needed sterilization, even though several medical professionals dispute that claim. People who live near the plant left wondering why government officials would trade one public health threat for another. Now to the current numbers in Georgia. There are 1,387 confirmed cases in our state with 47 reported deaths. Fulton County leads the state with 206 confirmed cases. Those numbers will be updated today at noon. And if you ride the MARTA bus, expect changes starting today. Riders will have to enter and exit using the rear doors only. That does not apply for people who need to use the accessibility ramp. MARTA will also suspend fare collections on those bus commutes. If you plan on transferring over to a MARTA train, you will still pay fares at rail stations. Also, to make note of, MARTA is closing the public restrooms at some of those rail stations. And some good news to report this morning. A 12-year-old coronavirus patient named Emma is doing much better. This morning, she is recovering at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. A relative tells us new x-rays show improvement in Emma's lungs. Her family still doesn't know how she contracted the virus. For more coronavirus headlines, head to our powerful CBS 46 streaming app. It's free to download for alerts on the go. And join us again for the latest coronavirus headlines coming up at 10 a.m. For the entire CBS 46 News team, I'm Carolyn Ryan. Have a great morning.